life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense at all. First of all, you can't make lemons into lemonade because to make lemonade you need sugar and water. It really should be if life gives you sugar, lemons, and water, you should make lemonade. Otherwise, just make lemon juice. But what is lemonade really made out of? Well, there are three parts the sugar, lemon, and water, as any average IQ person might have guessed. First of all, the water. There are several things in water, not just H2O. There's some calcium, chlorine, and there might even be lead if you know where to look for. Water is literally a mixture and is designed for being a mixture because it is almost a universal solvent. Water is also polar, which means the charge of the molecules is distributed unevenly, leading to an O-, unlike oil, which is nonpolar. The next part is the sugar. In school, you might have learned that sugar, well, at least glucose, is what fuels your entire body. Well, that's not fully true. In cellular respiration, where you take oxygen and glucose and combine them, you release energy that is put into ATP molecules. The energy from that bond is what really fuels your cells. Also, there are many types of sugars, not just glucose. There is fructose, lactose, sucrose, and others. They all have different types of chemical structures. The sugar that's sitting right in front of the table is not glucose. It's a sugar known as sucrose and is what we commonly associate as the flavor of sweetness. This sugar has a completely different chemical formula than glucose, and so it's completely different from what glucose might be. The last part, lemons, might be a bit more complicated. When we're talking about lemons, what we really mean is lemon juice, the weird soury substance that we put in a lot of things. Well, while you think citrus acid is all in lemons, there's more things too. There are three acids in lemons: citrus, malic, and ascorbic acid, or vitamin C. The only thing you can really taste though is the citrus. But there are many other things too. When we combined all three of these parts, we got a mixture, not a compound, of minerals: pure water, three acids, and sucrose, that we all know and love. It is a mixture of sour and sweet that provides us with a lot of vitamin C. Well, you might be wondering why I named this video lime juice if I talked about lemons. Well, limes and lemons are practically and pretty much the same thing from a standpoint. Oh shoot, I just realized lemons are different than limes. I guess I have to redo the video again.